Morning. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the Apple Mail application, which I have running here, with a Connect Exchange email account. And the way you do it is first open up the Apple Mail program, come over here to Mail, and select Accounts. Now when this pop-up appears, we're going to be selecting an Exchange account because it is an Exchange server that we're going to be getting to. And when this dialog pops up, put in the last name, first name of the person that the account is being set up for, and then type in the email address. And it's important that you put the email address for the new account that you're setting up, because it's going to try to go out there and auto-configure, which is what we want it to do. We want to sign in. We don't want to configure manually. We don't want this. No, no, no. We want to sign in and let the mail application figure out all of the particulars for the account by itself. A new dialog box will pop up confirming the name and the email address. All you need to do is enter in the password. This is given to you by DataYard. Combination of numbers, letters, symbols. Enter that and press sign in. And it'll take a few seconds for it to go out to the Exchange servers and authenticate. And then it's going to ask you which one of these which one of these features do you also want to enable with your mailbox. Mail, contacts, and calendars make sense to leave enabled. I use those, and you're actually sharing it with the rest of the group. You might want to leave those enabled. Reminders and notes, up to you if you want to enable those, but I usually disable them. Press done. And then you're all done. You now have the mailbox configured, and you can send and receive email from Apple Mail just fine. If you have any problems from this point forward, send an email to support@datayard.us or give us a call at 937-226-6896.